This is another one. iPhone XS, water damage, charge port not working, back glass nightmare. Oh no. So we know it had water damage. So we'll do all the same stuff. Plug it in, see what it does.
This is gonna be tried to redo part 2.
Yeah.
Bro, they're not playing this, bro. Brazil and Argentina?
They're not playing it?
No.
Why?
This is only North and Central America.
Oh, so it's not
South America, no.
not South America?
South America has a whole different tournament.
Oh. But
Is
they're
there-
gonna beat at the end or no?
No.
No?
They believe
Oh.
they're better, that's why.
Oh, they see.
I don't know if
Yeah, Mexico.
I don't know if I just saw something or what.
I think the final is gonna be.
Might be on the video. I don't know.
You want me to stop it? You want to look after it?
We'll check back.
Okay.
That looks not normal. Yeah, that doesn't look normal. Should be like 2 amps. Getting Apple logo.
Just still charging
But
0.99.
0.99 is a weird monocurrent, maybe, probably.
It's like on the edge, you know?
It should be.
That's what I always think of
Should
it.
be higher.
Yeah. But I always think 1.0, it's always on the edge. Turns on.
But it's charging low. Well, it also depends on how much is in the battery. How
I
full
was
it is.
also thinking maybe because not everything's connected or nothing to do with that.
Shouldn't matter. This one I think we're gonna look closer at.
But it is a constant 0.99.
Yeah, which
It doesn't
is
go up or down. So.
no, that's not normal. We'll see. I thought, bro, I could have swore I saw something flash, like right here.
We'll look over the video right
But
now.
yeah, let's look at the video. It could be a reflection I saw.
Well, hopefully I got that. Now let's take it under the microscope.
Huh? No, from the original, where you're like, no.
Okay, so you can see here that I spray some freeze spray on the board, also known as turning a can upside down of air cleaner and spraying on the board. It gets it cold and you can see it thaws out right in that spot there. So I go ahead and start digging out this short in the board there. You can see it spark a few times. I'm not exactly sure where the short is because the board is made in layers and there's layers inside of wires basically. So you can see it's still getting hot, and I'm just trying to move things around to relieve the short. This is not going to be a full fix working 100% under warranty phone. We're doing this repair for another shop. They just wanted to work and also confirm that it did have liquid damage at one point, and that's pretty obvious it did. So every time you see it spark, it's just because I'm turning on the power supply, and you can see the little short happen.
good. Looks like it's not short anymore.
So because I'm a noob, I totally forgot to record the phone charging properly. Instead, here's some footage of us using the laser machine to laser engrave one of the employees' vapes.